Okay, in this question, they have given that 75% of the students pass in English, 80% of the students pass in maths, and 60% of the students pass in both the subjects. Okay, and they have also mentioned that 20%, sorry, not 20%, but 20 students fail in both the subjects. That is, they don't pass in either of the two subjects. So we are supposed to find the total number of students in the class. Okay, so in this 75% that have passed in English and 80% that have passed in maths, 60% of the students are such that they have passed in both the subjects. That is, this 60% is a part of this 75% as well as this 80%, right? So subtracting this 60%, we have 15% of the students which have passed only in English, right? 75 minus 60. Similarly, we have 20% of the students which have passed only in maths, which is 80% minus this 60%, right? So total percentage of students who have passed in at least one or both the subjects is 15% plus 60% plus 20%. That is, the total comes to 95%. Okay, so 95% of the students are such that they have passed in at least one subject. So it could be either English or maths or both, right? So that means 5% of the students have failed in both the subjects. Therefore, 5% of students failed in both subjects. Okay, so that is equal to 20 students. So if 5% of the total number of students is 20, therefore 100% of the students, that is total number of students, is equal to 20 times this 5. To bring 5 to 100, we have to multiply this 5 by 20. So we'll multiply this 20 by 20, which comes to 400 students. This is our required answer.